All right, in simplifying exponent expressions, you're going to learn how to take a power times another power. So some basics here. We have 3 to the second power, and the 3 is known as a base, and the 2 is known as the exponent, and all together, that's called a power. And we'll call that 3 to the second power. If we're calling that, and that means 3 times 3. 3 times itself 2 times, which is 9. Okay, basics are done. So as we have x to the second times x to the third, well, x to the second means x times x, and x to the third means x times x times x. Well, instead of writing all the x's multiplied by each other, that is the same thing as saying x to the fifth power. So when we're multiplying these exponents, we can just condense it to one exponent. And what does that mean in the case of something like 2 to the second times 2 to the third? Well, 2 to the second is 2 times 2. And 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2. So that's the same thing as saying we have 2 to the fifth power. And by the way, 2 to the fifth, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 32. And you might see some patterns happening here. So formally, if you have some base, call it x, to a y, and another base to a different exponent, call it z, you can just add those exponents together. So as you can see here, we have the 2 plus 3 is 5. So we have those two exponents, you add them up, and that would be the exponent of the answer. That's it.